Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Cole with Beast Muscle. In today's video, we're doing a video on how to build muscle at home for beginners. This video, we are not using any weights, no dumbbells, no equipment, no machines. So this one is very easy. You can do it at home or at the gym. Let's get right into the video. 30-second jumping jacks. This is a very good warm-up to start out with before all of your workouts. Definitely recommend doing this before all of your workouts. So do this for 30 seconds.
Take a break.
"30-second push-ups. This is a very good chest and tricep and shoulder workout.
Take a break.
Plank. This is a very good ab workout and also a resistance workout.
Take a break.
Squats. This is a very good leg workout.
Take a break.
"30-second flutter kicks. This is a ab workout and is a pretty good leg workout as well.
Take a break.
"30-second incline push-ups. This is a very good upper chest workout.
Take a break.
"30-second decline push-ups. This is a very good decline chest workout.
Take a break.
Workout complete. There you have it, guys. Hopefully this was a good workout for you. If so, make sure to subscribe down below so we can all get fit together, and I'll see you guys in the next video.